Task 11.2. Print the reports below: trial balance, P&L and balance sheet. Let's see how to print these reports. Right, let's go to display and see. You can see that first one is trial balance. As you can see, F4 trial balance. So you can click here or you can type F4, then you can see the trial balance. This is the trial balance. If you want to take a printout, you can take a printout by selecting this. You can email it or you can preview it. Okay. Next report is profit and loss account. Display profit and loss account. It's F5. You can see that profit and loss account. So you can, if you want, you can email, you can print, you can preview. Next one is balance sheet, F6. So you can see the balance sheet here. Again, you can print, email, preview, or you can do anything you want. So you can also see some other reports if you want. Age analysis, customers. This is age analysis report. So you can see that December 2024 total, how much we have, right? May 2025. So this is age analysis report. You can see that one. You can see age analysis supplier report. This is age analysis supplier report. So I'm just showing the available reports. Ledger balances, customer ledger balance. This is the ledger balance of the customers. Ledger balance of the suppliers. Very user friendly. And turnover by account, customers. You can see that. Like now pretty much with you guys, like, you know, you need to go around and experience the software. Like, you know, you can get to know many things. Thank you. With this, I'm concluding bookkeeping in VTTransactionPlus.